Here's a CortelCo 2500 set. Just your plain Jane, old school, touch-tone phone. Of course, taken out of service. Pick it up. There's, your switch hook and all that great stuff. Phone jack. And the bottom over here, mechanical bell ringer. Here's the information over here. Made in USA with pride. They don't make that anymore, although this is a rather new one because it does have ROHS, reduction of hazardous substances. It's here, it works. Let me plug it up and we'll make a call with it, and then I'll call it. First thing you'll notice is it has not only made in USA, but a volume on the handset. You should be able to hear the dial tone there. It gets pretty loud. It's not bad at all. Let me dial a number here.
Welcome to HP Customer Support. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality purposes. Para español, diga español.
And now I'll call it. And it even rings. So that's it. Just a plain old, made in USA, CortelCo 2500 set. The phone to have. No frills, no, I would say bells, but it has that. No whistles, no gongs. Well, it actually has those too. Not much more to speak of, except that it's a nice quality phone that should last, well, pretty much damn near forever. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.